Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can verify your age on Roblox without ID. First thing first, to get started with, update your application and log into your Roblox account. So in order to verify your age on Roblox without ID, it's quite not possible. In order to verify age on Roblox, you have to provide in your certain type of ID, such as your government ID, your license, or your state ID, whatever. So basically there's no such option as to verify your age on Roblox without ID. However, you can just go ahead and contact the support team and you can state about the issue and they'll look into your matter. But if you have an ID and want to verify your age, go to your three-dot icon. After that, go to the settings button, head over to account info, and right on this page you'll be able to find the little button as verify my age. In order to verify your age, you have to go ahead and tap the verify my age, which is right at the bottom. As already mentioned, you'll not be able to verify your age without an ID. If you want to begin with the verification, then tap on start session and it's gonna take you to a web page where it's gonna inform you about the list of ID that's gonna require and instructed step by step on how you can actually verify your age. So in this way, you can verify your age on Roblox without ID. That was all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.